Hi guys, welcome back to Telechuckers Style Files with me Vishakha Patel. Well, you know what? आज का एपिसोड बहुत ही स्पेशल है क्योंकि ये मेरा पर्सनल फेवरेट होने वाला है. Apart from going with an eyeliner look always and maybe a light nude lip shade or maybe a nude makeup look, एक और चीज़ है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करती हूँ उसके साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट और डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स ट्राई करना और बहुत ही हैक्स यूज़ करना, और वो है nail paints. So yes, I will be showing you few of these hacks घर पे पड़ी हुई चीज़ों के थ्रू, and let's see कि वो हैक हमारा कैसे निकल के आता है. एंड आप भी अपने लिए कुछ नेल कलर्स वगैरह ले आइए, and as soon as I do, you can follow me. So yes. Before I start, I have a tendency, I have this manicure kit at home. I always prefer changing the shape of my nails. So today I'm not shaping, I'm just filing them a little so proper finish aa jayegi. So I am done. As you can see, there's no nail pen. Before we move to the next step, this is my top coat, and I have a tendency, I believe that my nails need proper care. So मैं prefer करती हूँ to have this nude transparent top coat so that वो ज़्यादा बुरा इफेक्ट तरीके से ना हो मेरे नेल्स पे उनका. So for the first look, I have these shades. Okay, I'm gonna mix and match. I'm gonna do the complete one hand, and I'm gonna show you how that becomes my look number one. So as you just are seeing that मैं अभी I've been applying a nice top coat और उसके ऊपर मैं different colors लगा रही हूँ. Preferably I am using these three colors, a shimmer, and this is like a golden copper, and this is a hot red color that I'm using, and I'm keeping the look very simple. I'm not putting a lot of thing in the look. I've given one finger a red tone, and I've given one finger a very shimmery tone, and the other fingers I have initially the base color as this. This is the copper golden, and after that मैंने तीनों fingers पे तीन different looks करी हैं. So while you saw the look number one, and I hope आपको अच्छा लगा हो, I am moving ahead with look number two. So for this one, you would need your toothpick. So with the tip of the toothpick, I've actually dipped it in the nail color, and I'm actually trying to just give here some dotted lines. So see, I made a little pattern on my nail, and one nail is covered. मैं आपको तीन different तरीके दिखाऊंगी for French manicure, one being the tape and the other two being a secret. So yes, let's get started. I'm actually just cutting small chunks of it in whatsoever shape, size I want it to be. So I've taped my nails, और जहाँ तक भी मुझे ये golden चाहिए already, copper golden, I have covered that bit with my tape, and then I right now don't have a tweezer here, otherwise you please try and take it up with a tweezer. So well, I'll show you the final thing. So I made stripes. The last is my last finger, and I feel like giving myself a little French manicure, and I do not need to put tape for that one. So yes, I will show you how I'm gonna do that one also. I'm just taking a little nail pin on my thumb or any of your finger for that matter of the opposite hand. So I used my thumb. The other way for this one is also one thing, that if you don't want to use your thumb and make it like this, I've kept a marker, and I actually use it, and I can actually give any kind of shape that I want. So right now I want certain mountains as if it's a crocodile teeth. So I used this. So you saw, after all this, one thing is a mandate. Again, your top coat. उसके बिना पूरा का पूरा look is waste because this just acts like a fixator for you. So yes, this were the hacks for today. I hope आपको ये hacks पसंद आए and I hope कि आप लिए यूजफुल थे. आप ट्राई कीजिएगा और मुझे प्लीज़ बताइएगा ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल विशाखा_पंडित और मे बी टेलीचक्कर के हैंडल पे आप बताइएगा एंड डू टैग मी सो दैट आई गेट टू नो कि अगर आपने कोई न्यू लुक्स ट्राई करी हैं एंड अगर यू लाइक दिस एपिसोड एंड आप चाहते हैं कि मैं और डिफरेंट DIY हैक्स के साथ आपके पास आऊँ एंड आपको दिखाऊँ, सो प्लीज़ डू टेल अस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन ताकि मैं आपके साथ और डिफरेंट कोई दो और लुक्स, कोई दो और हैक्स आपके साथ शेयर कर सकूँ. Well, yes, that's all for today's episode, and this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off. Thank you so much for watching and loving the episode.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.